When you write, do you write about causes? Do you write about a story or a feeling? What is it that you write about?
Depends. It all depends. Usually, when I write for myself, it's more about what I feel.
Yeah.
So, how we say, like, I'm thinking aloud, so I write aloud. So it's
I'm thinking aloud, I'm writing aloud, only on Artist Aloud. Kya baat hai?
exactly.
Exactly. Yeah.
I was just headed there.
Yeah, exactly. So I just helped you complete that. So
Totally.
next time if you use that, देखिए royalty please pay कीजिएगा. आजकल बड़े strict हो गए हम royalty को
हाँ
लेके.
जी.
तो आज independent music जो है वो उतना बड़ा नहीं है जितना हमारे देश में बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक है. तो फिर एक सिंगर आप जैसा जो बहुत कामयाब है बॉलीवुड जोन में, उसे एक इंडिपेंडेंट एल्बम निकालने की जरूरत क्या पड़ी?
I think for any artist, there's something, for a musician, for instance, there's a lot of music within you, you know. Sometimes you don't get an opportunity to give away your true self in a Bollywood project or any commercial project. You know, so there are a lot of things which you want to do which you're not being able to do because of lack of opportunities. So is when, for your own musical satisfaction, is when you do something like this.
Now that you've come up with your first single, tell me honestly, what do you feel about the scope for an independent artist?
I think it's just beginning in India.
Yeah.
We did have the independent music scene a long time ago, like
Yes.
I guess almost 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
But in last 10 years, it totally died down.
Yeah.
Finally, like every artist is so enthusiastic about doing their own music and coming out with singles, albums,
Yeah.
folk albums,
Yeah.
you know. So different kind of music people are trying out. People are willing to do something like this, which is a good thing. I think this is opening the gates for.
Do you think it's because the singers wanted to do it, or is it because of the digitalization of music which has come up?
Digitalization always, I mean, it's helping now.
Yeah.
पहले ये होता था कि एल्बम बनानी हो तो वी हैड टू गो टू म्यूजिक लेबल
Yeah.
और a composer or basically a proper medium.
Right.
Now digital work has really made it easier
Yeah.
and more reachable.
Yeah.
A video or a song on YouTube would
Yeah.
have more hits than someone who would buy cassettes or
Of
CDs.
course, I completely agree.
You know, so
Yeah.
I think it's
Millions
life
of
is
peo-
easier.
Right.
It's way more fun.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of interaction directly with the audience here.
Right.
You know, so I think that's a great thing. Like people write comments on your videos,
Yeah.
so you know what people think, what they want out of you.
Yeah.
So I think that entire interaction process is beautiful.
What are your
Looking
future
forward to
projects?
it. Future projects, there are a lot of stuff lined up in terms of Bollywood.
Yeah.
But as I said, ये journey बस शुरू हुई है. इसके आगे बहुत सारे stations आएंगे.
As a singer, do you want to travel all across the globe and do concerts with this track and also the rest of the tracks which are going to come up in future?
Yes, I would love to. I would love this single of mine to reach out to the audience so that when I go on stage, I can, sing it for them.
Yeah.
So I would love to do that.
Yeah.
And I really hope it happens.
Of course it's going to happen. But what's going to happen at that concert? You know, I'm just imagining 30,000 people, Shruti Pathak on stage. The MC announces, here comes Shruti Pathak. And audience is expecting her to sing a song. And what she does is, she mimics. Let the audience decide who is she mimicking.
Okay, so here's the thing. जब independent music 10 साल पहले बहुत vogue में था, तब की एक singer है जिनका नाम है Anaida. I loved that song, so I always tried to make it funny in my own way. So here it is. ऊंची नीची है डगरिया, पतली है मोरी कमरिया, जरा धीरे चलो जी, बलम धीरे चलो जी.
Can you see tears in my eyes?
Yeah, I know, you're so touched.
I am touched. On that note, thank you, Shruti Pathak,
Thank
for being
you
on
so
the show.
much.
I wish you loads of luck for your future. It was such a pleasure and it was a fun ride.
Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
was it for me. It was a lot of fun. Thank you.
Wow.